What is up, y'all? It's your favorite producer, Ron. Got the recipe, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to finger drum on a Midi keyboard. All right, maybe you have a Midi keyboard, maybe you don't. Maybe you got a machine on a kite, but you're still not getting that realistic sound. This is the video for you. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so I got a loop queued up for y'all here. This is going to be a very in-depth video. It's going to be quick. I'm going to try to squeeze it in as quick as possible. We're going to go from quarter notes to eighth notes to 16th notes, what those are, how they apply to finger drumming, how they apply to beats, and what the whole process is for good finger drumming. Let's get it. All right, so first things first, you need really realistic drums, okay? If you've got boo-boo drums, you're going to get boo-boo results. So I recommend using the drums that I use addictive drums too. The reason why I do is because these are the most responsive drums to me on the market. What do I mean when I say responsive? I mean, you hear that ring? It's still ringing, meaning it's giving me that realistic sound. It's ringing, it's responsive. So I can get the most out of this plugin to sound like a real drum set. If you're using just regular samples, you're not gonna get responsiveness. You wanna get the best ones. If you wanna save some cash on this VST, you can use my link in the description. It'll save you 20%, and it'll save you 20% on anything on the website. Now, you might say it might be hard to finger drum, but really the basics are boots and cats. Boots and cats. Boots and cats. Basics, all right? Now, if you want to see what that looks like, this is what you need to be looking at. Right now, we're playing quarter notes and eighth notes. Let's play to the groove. Really simple, right? So let's take it up a notch now. In one measure of music, there are 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So every time we're gonna double up, but they all fit in one measure of music, okay? So keep that in mind as you're finger drumming. Number 2, how I map my drums out. I've got everything here in pretty much one octave. So from here, all the way up to here is where I've got my drums at. So kick, hi-hat, snares, toms, crash, ride. Next step's gonna be the basic boom bap beat. We're gonna play eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then just 1 and 2 in our left hand. So let's give it a shot. Done. We're gonna do the same beat, but this time we're gonna swing the beat. We're gonna make it more realistic, more human feel. So instead of playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and like right on the beat, we're gonna swing it like. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Kind of swinging it to give it a little more of a vibe. Here we go. Boom. Now how are we accomplishing that? It's kind of like to be really dramatic about it, we're kind of playing them like a flam, which is like a small note before the main note. So the same time would be, now we're playing. Boom. Now let's move into toms, all right? Or what is a fill? A drum fill is a combination of notes played in between 4 measures of music or more. That's my definition for it. So it usually occurs on the last bar. So if we're playing 4 bars of music, 1, 2, 3, the fill will appear somewhere around here. So if this is 1 bar, if this is 2 bars, if this is 3 bars, the fill should appear somewhere in this vicinity. What does a fill usually use? It can be a snare, it can be a tom, right? It can be, right? My advice is keep it simple. All right? Now, I will say that sometimes in fills you're going to need to play faster notes. That leads me to my next row of notes, which are the 16th notes. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. All right? So our next group of notes, which we're going to start on the hi-hat with for this fill, and then we're going to translate it to the snares and toms and a kick. All right? I'll give you an example. All right, that's our fill. Boom. So all I did was go from I'm just moving my hand down 1. Now you can do the same thing with 8th notes too. I'll give you an example. That was the fill. 1 and 4 and. Really simple, but when you look at it, it made sense. Here it is right here. Really simple fill. All right, so I'm gonna give you some fills that you can play that fit with this groove. So here's the first fill. Easy. All right. So that's one quick one. We got this one too. All right, that one is a 3E and a 4E and a 1. Or a 3E and a 4E and a 1. Or a 3E and a 4E and a 1. I always recommend ending your fill with a on the kick, right? All right, and there you have it. From quarter notes to eighth notes to 16th notes, sound selection. I've gave you some fills to practice. This is going to be crucial if you want to be a great finger drummer. It's not always about being able to move up and down. It's about practicing the basic fundamentals from boots and cats to quarter notes to eighth notes until you get comfortable moving around this thing. And obviously, use drums that sound super realistic, super responsive. Again, if you want to say some cats on these drums, I got you. Use my link in the description below. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments, man. I'm always here for y'all. And as always, if you like content like this, hit me with a like, leave a comment, and if you're really rocking with it, subscribe to the channel and tell a friend, man. I'll see y'all on the next one. I hope you learned something. Peace.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.